This is a 2016 Ford Taurus. It's the SHO package with the 3.5 V6 twin turbo. It's all stock right at the moment. We're going to either put some Flowmasters on there or possibly a Magnaflow. We're going to play around with the sound a little bit before we nail them on there. Do a mid-muffler delete with a true X pipe on it. Customer wants to get a little sound out of it, and we'll let you see that when we get it all put together. All right, so you see we have installed some Magnaflow mufflers and some 4.5-inch tips. We went with wide open straight through. The customer liked the sound of those compared to the Flowmasters. Everybody's got their own taste buds. It does sound pretty decent. Got the Truex pipe in there. Should give it a little rumble. Let's see what it sounds like. Kind of a smooth, deep tone. Didn't want it too loud. Like I said, everybody likes something a little different these days.